In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and see your downloads on Brave browser. If you've recently saved a file from the internet and aren't sure where it went, don't worry. Brave makes it easy to view and manage everything you've downloaded, whether it's a document, image, video, or software file. Knowing how to access your downloads can help you quickly locate important files and keep your browsing experience organized. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your downloads within Brave and how to access them efficiently. To get started, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window and open the main menu. From the list of available options, select Downloads. This will take you to Brave's Download Manager, where all of your recent and past downloads are displayed in one convenient location. After opening the Downloads page, you'll see a list of files that have been saved through the browser. Each entry typically includes the file name, the date it was downloaded, and its current status. This section allows you to review your download history and quickly identify the file you're looking for. If you have many downloads stored in the list, you can use the search feature available on the Downloads page to locate a specific file more quickly. Simply enter part of the file name, and Brave will filter the results to help you find it faster. When you locate the file you need, you can open it directly from the Downloads page. In most cases, clicking the file name will launch it using the default application associated with that file type. This can save time since you won't need to manually browse through folders on your computer. If you want to view the file's location on your device, look for the option that allows you to show the file in its folder. Selecting this option will open the folder where the file is stored, making it easy to move, rename, copy, or organize it as needed. For even faster access in the future, you can also use the keyboard shortcut designed to open the Downloads page instantly. This can be particularly helpful if you frequently save files and need to check your download history on a regular basis. Keeping track of your downloads is a simple but useful skill that can help you stay organized and quickly access important files whenever you need them. Once you know where the Downloads page is located, finding save files becomes much easier. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.